This is the SEDETA L-shaped gaming desk from Amazon. And after building it and using it for a month with my setup, here's whether it's actually worth buying. My old desk took about the same amount of room but didn't have enough space on top for all my equipment, as you can see here. So after a month of using this desk, here's what it's actually like. Provide two Allen keys, a little wrench, and a nice little Phillips screwdriver. Building it up was simple. The box weighed about 60 pounds and has everything you need inside, including the tools as you saw earlier. Overall, it took me about 2 hours to build it up, but I did everything sitting down because of my back. So I think for anybody else, it'd probably take around an hour to an hour 30. I also had my sister reading out the instructions to me. So if you have somebody reading out the instructions, it might help build it up quicker. I didn't install the little tray at the bottom for the keyboard. I like to have my keyboard on top of the desk at all times, so I didn't want to put that on there. On top of my PC, there's supposed to be another shelf, but my PC was too high, so I left that out too. If your PC fits in there, or if you just want an extra shelf, you can add it on there, but like I said, I left it out. It has 4 AC plugs and 2 USB-A. This is the pegboard, which is real nice. This is what it looks like at the bottom before you install anything. It comes with this app. You can use the controller right there that you see, the white controller in the back, or you can use this app called Duo Strip, and it's real nice. The apps, I mean, it works for what it's meant for. I also like that this same app works with the LEDs on my bed frame, so I can control both of them at the same time. Here are the many options that you can scroll through. You can speed it up if it's changing through colors, slow it down, change the brightness. Like I said, it works for what it's meant for. It has this little storage pocket on the side. It holds surprisingly quite a bit, and also has this little pockets in the front and that center pocket inside in the middle. It's got a little storage bin up here where you can put it anywhere in those little holes. And it holds quite a few things as well. Here's the shelves and this little hook right there for the headset. You can put whatever you want on there. It comes with 5 of these hooks that are easy to install. Alright, final verdict. For the price, this is actually pretty solid. You get a lot of features like the shelves. You got your pegboard where you can hang things on. You got your pockets. You get 4 AC outlets and your 2 USB connections. And honestly, it just works real good with my setup. If you want to check it out, the link's going to be down in the description. If this review helped you out, consider subscribing. I'm posting honest product reviews every week. And if you like the video, consider giving it a like as well. That lets me know to keep making videos every Monday. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what y'all want me to review next. Y'all dictate the future reviews.